of a crabbing adventure today. Fishing, flicking lures all day. We got here super early. It's like 6:30 in the morning, so set the alarm for 4 AM. It's a bit of an hour's drive to get here, so just wanted to beat the sun because it's just been so hot here lately. We're in North Queensland, so just want to get the pots in early, and then when the sun is up, we can kind of just chill out and fish all day. Today we're running mullet. Now I've found the heads to be the best for me every time I've gone crabbing. It's not so much the mullet full bodies, but it's just the head. So I thought I'd buy the bags of mullet heads for this little session. It's like $6 a bag, and one bag can fill up 4 pots, so it's really cheap. I'm going a bit heavier on the bait as well. I'm just loading them up because I just want to catch some crabs. Let's load these pots up, get them out before that sun comes up, because like I said, it's bloody hot already and I'm sweating bullets, so let's get these out. The sun has just started to rise above the tree line. Like I mentioned before, as soon as the sun comes up, boom, it's just hot. So you're dripping in sweat. They're funny looking little ducks. The estuary is quite swollen at the moment. It's a 3-meter tide. It's pretty much dead on high tide. High tide's at 7:30 in the morning. You've got your main estuary system here, and you've got a runoff in that direction, runoff in that direction. We're going to be working this bank down here throughout these mangroves. We're going to drop 4 pots before it gets too hot. So let's chit chat, more crab. Spot number 1. You see the tide is so high. Normally it's like 3 meters back down that way, so it's so swollen. I have to launch these pots as far as I can because I know the tide's going to drop a lot and we don't want to leave them high and dry. So all the pots are in now, but like I've mentioned, the tide is so high, so normally we're dropping pots past this tree line here, so it's very hard to get them out there because it's just so much tree cover. So what I've done is I've just kind of chucked them in the semi-shallows, and when the tide drops a meter or two, I'll check them to make sure I'm not leaving them high and dry. And if they are starting to expose a little bit, I'll just relaunch them. So bit of a bugger, it's making it a little bit difficult, but anyway, we'll see how we go. So the tide is starting to drop. I've been here a few times and we've never seen it this big. So you can see where the water is now, and that was that's where it came up to. Oh, here's a good sign as well. Someone's had a bit of a cook up here, I think. Decent sized claw. That's a bit of a stonker, that one. So that's what we're aiming for. A couple of them. Whew. Will be great. Dude, what's up, dude? The size of that arm. This guy needs to start going to the gym and working on the other bicep, I think. Holy moly. There's a whopping big kangaroo, that one. Grey kangaroo in the mangroves. It's pretty big too. One of the hardest parts is always trying to remember where you put the pots, because the tides come up so high, it's just washed away all my footprints, so just got to go for an explore. Alright guys, first pull. And just see the pot just sitting there in the shallows. Kind of looks like there's something in there. Yeah boy. Alright guys, definitely got a contender here. Just got to get trusty old crabometer out. Definitely a buck because the nippers are huge, so please be size. Look at the size of the nippers on that. Yeah, bloody couple of stonkers. Good sized nippers. Let's please be size. Please be size. Oh yes, you're kidding me. Well, there we have it guys, we've got ourselves a winner. First muddy, we'll go chuck him in a Troopy. Oh, we'll go chuck him in the fridge in the Troopy. Some big old lollipops there. Let's see if we can get ourselves a couple more. Phew. Definitely a male. We got the sharp V there instead of the broad V. If it's a broad V, it's a female, and they're illegal to keep in where are we, Queensland. But got ourselves a nice buck. Bit of an entree for dinner tonight. Yeah, we'll chuck it on ice. Put her in the back of the Troopy and yeah, just put him to sleep. We appreciate you mate, thanks a lot. You're gonna be delicious. I'm not sure if you guys can pick this up or not, but where my lure is, you can see there's a dirty big crocodile print right there, and then again right there and down there. Alright guys, we've got ourselves another contender. Got the crabometer here, little buck, big lollipops on him. Crabometer, bit of a measure up, outside to outside. Oh my god, he's under 5 mil too small. He's about 3 mil. 3 mil undersize. He's got some big old claws on him, bloody spewing. Could have had a double banger. Oh well. This little buck is going to grow up a bit stronger. We'll see you next time.
Freedom!
Holy crap, she's cooking right now. Fishy, 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 fish. Oh, we got crabs, baby. We got 2 crabs. Oh, yes. Not bad. Look at that. That is definitely a keeper. Oh, dude, how good's that? One, it has to be size. Looks bigger than the first one we caught, so. Oh, crabtastic. This one's a dinosaur. Oh, let's have a look at this one. You're a big fella, aren't you? Those nippers are massive. Look at those nippers. They're stonkers. Look at that. That is a whopper. Male's got the V. Moment of truth. Crabometer. Outside to outside. Yes! He is size. He's like 10 mil. We got 2 crabs. We're eating well tonight. I reckon that one might be size as well, and we still got another 3 pots, so happy bloody days. Look at that. Dude, here's another stonker. Probably similar size. Look at the size of that. Another male crab. Big lollipops. Huge. Moment of truth. Outside Oh my God, we have another one. We have 3 crabs. This one's about 5 mil oversized. Happy days. That's 3 crabs. I don't think we're gonna need any more than this, so if we catch any more, we'll put them back, but we have 3 legal sized crabs right now. I was gonna have a fire and cook one tonight, just around here, but I've had a call from Rachel and she's keen for a bit of crab laksa, or is it laksa? I don't know. It's, you know, the soup. We're having one of them. We're having crab soup, noodle soup, laksa. Holy crap, this is just way too exciting. We're 1 pot down, 3 to go. Oh, what up, bomber? No crabs in that one, guys. We'll go check the pot number 3. All right, crabbeteers. Crab pot number 3. Let's stick you there. Stay. Stay. Don't go anywhere. I think, oh, it's actually, that's definitely undersized. It just looked a lot bigger when it was 5 meters away. Here's a little buck. Here's a grouse looking little crab. He's gonna be feisty. The little ones are always like little turbo crabs. It'll be quick. Oh, like that. There we go. I'm always better to grab them with my left hand, I think. Crab, come on, you little bugger. Crabs with your left. Crabometer with your right. Grouse looking little crab. He's full of energy. Look at that. That's right, mate, going back. He is, see there, he's about 15 mil undersized. Grouse looking little crab. But he's going back. See you, buddy. Freedom! Alright, 1 more crab pot to go. Stick you right there. Stay. Stay. Alright, guys. This is it. 1, 2, 3. Dun-dun. That's all good, guys. We got 3 crabs. This spot looked insane. I don't know, like, it's so funny. Like, one day you crab, you catch 10, next you go crabbing and you catch nothing. It's just a weird and mysterious thing, mud crabbing. But there we go, 3 good sized muddies. They're gonna feed us very well tonight. I'm just absolutely covered in bites. My face is burning, my legs are burning. I'm itchy as hell, covered in mud from head to toe. But I love it, so much fun, so much fun. Take these pots back to the Troopy, have a bit of a tidy up, head back home, cook up some grub. Whew. Here's our catch of the day. I think this one might be the biggest. Big old lollipops on him. Another beauty. That's the smallest one, but I think we're still about 5 to 10 mil oversized. Just filled the little esky up with ocean salt water. It's best to cook and clean the crabs in ocean salt water or water where they come from for taste reasons. So make sure you do that, because apparently it can ruin your crabs. And you can't just use fresh water with salt sprinkled in it. You got to use ocean water. So bring this home and we'll give them a good clean. Anyway, we'll see you guys at home. Welcome to the Wild Troopy kitchen. So we've just come home, had a quick shower, and I'm as red as a bloody beetroot. We've also been preparing the crabs. So what we've done is we've got a whole crab, turned it upside down, got a knife, cracked it straight down the center, split him in half, and then with salt water from the ocean, we've cleaned out all the yucky bits, all the gizzards. So now it's just left with the beautiful white meat. Also, we've got a pot on the boil, or coming to the boil. This water also is for the ocean. Once that starts boiling, crab goes in there, about 10 minutes to cook. Rachel also has been busy with preparing a bit of a laksa. Oh my God, look at those colours. So the water's come to a boil. Well, very hot. Now it's time to chuck the crabs in. We might have to do it in 2 batches because there's a lot of crab there. And they're already gone red. So you need to cover them completely in water, so maybe a smaller bit. Perfect. You can see they're already gone red. They go red instantly, so leave them in there. Got the stopwatch here. Start. 10 minutes. Put the lid back on. And then you got to let them rest for about 5 minutes after that. So Rachel is busy cracking open just some of the crab, just so we can mix the meat in to the laksa. Also our second batch is ready now as well, so take them out, put them on ice. We'll put them on ice for about 10 minutes after you cook it. Let it cool down. And there we have it. Caught only a few hours ago. Mud crab laksa.
Laksa.
Laksa. The moment of truth. Man, I hope I like it. 10 hours. 10 hours in the mangroves.
The sunset's like behind you, the sky's pink.
Bit of crab meat. A few noodles.
Is it good?
Oh my God.
Really? Oh, that's good. I hadn't tried the
Teamwork.
laksa before.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Before you just tried it then.
Sensation.
Oh, that's good.
So good.
Worth the efforts.
Good stuff. Success. Well, that's the we'll leave this episode of that. Hunting and gathering. Stay tuned for the next episode, and we'll see you guys shortly. 10 hours to catch and 30 seconds to eat.